What's up, guys? So today we are just gonna be vlogging, and today is a very special day. It is Shyheim's first birthday. Look at him. See, look at me. I'm one. And in a couple more days is
my couple days.
Yep.
March 26th.
Yes, and he turns
to 10.
These are my two large babies. Look at them. 21st and 26th. Yeah, he's gonna be double digits. Big boy. We got Tamar and Marvin. Say hi, guys. Hi. Yeah. So we're about to go out. We're waiting on Joel's.
Out dying. Make sure
you come to
Guys. You like go feel.
Yes,
I always do that all the time.
We got a lot to do today.
And
We'll see you guys in a second.
Hello guys, it's Joel's and I just came back from school.
Yeah? Big boy.
Girls have birthday shine.
Oh, look at, he's so happy. We seen Grandpa today.
I seen him too.
Yep, Grandpa came over. Shyheim was smiling the whole time. Look at, he's so happy. So we'll be back with you guys. Okay, when we get on the road and stuff like that. So we'll see you in a second.
Make sure you comment subscribe. Peace out.
Nice, Shasha.
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shyheim. Happy birthday to you. Look at him, he's smiling.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shyheim. Happy birthday to you. Are you one? Good job, Baba. Good job.